Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, we are going to remove the virtual hard disk from your virtual machines, like whichever platform you are using, like VMware, Hyper-V or VirtualBox. So in my case, I have tested all. I have already using the virtual VM, which is VirtualBox, as well as I have used the Hyper-V and VMware workstations. So let me open the Hyper-V first. This option, Hyper-V, run as administrator. Okay, so I have deleted the machine from Hyper-V, as well as I am using Windows 10 in the VirtualBox. So sometime it is challenging that you don't able to delete it permanently from their space is also occupied. So how to delete the virtual machines virtual hard disk space from your computer so that your system will be free? So open the C drive first and double click on the C drive, and once you double click on C drive, you need to go to the programs, files, and now you will see here the VMware. Let me open the Hyper-V. You can see here, right click it and you can analyze how much space it is taking. But I am not using the Hyper-V in my case. I am using here the VirtualBox. So how to check where the data is stored? So let me check if you can see it from here so that I can show you the easy way. Okay, so there is no option from here. Open the C drive. Now we need to look for this option, Oracle VM. You can see Oracle, double click on that, and VirtualBox, double click on that, and here is, these are the all files and folders. It is taking how much space? Let me calculate it. Right click, go to its properties. Okay, it is not showing correctly from here. Let me select all. Okay, now it is C. So these are the all the space it is taking up. You can see virtual hard disk. Okay, so it is almost 12 GB around. So let me open the settings. So this is the correct way to uninstall any virtual hard disk space. Click on system and click on storage and show more categories, and it is also giving a sub hint where the space is occupied. Let me minimize it. So these are all the logs of this virtual machines. Okay, and you can also go to back. Let me analyze it. Okay, let's analyze it first. Okay, you can see C drive users VirtualBox VM. So let me open the actual folder. It is already actual folder, but let me try from the same user VirtualBox. You can see, right click and go to its properties. Okay, the same space. Okay, VirtualBox VMs. So this is the actual one. Here, this one. You can see 14 GB is it's taking now. So this is the correct path of virtual machines. You can see here So this is the first way you can delete it from here. This folder, just shift and delete, or you can right click here or click on remove and choose all the options. It will be gone. But in some cases, like when I have used this Hyper-V, I hardly able to find the hard disk space of this machines. So let me show you where I can find it. Okay, it is 19 GB as front of you guys. So I deleted from here from machines, but still I checked the space is still there and it is still occupied in there. So let me click on quick create, and now you will see change installation source. Click on that. Now this is the actual path where the hard disk space is utilizing. So let me open it and double click it and go to this option. Let me paste it into the notepad. I have already tested that, so it is already opened. So programs C and programs data. So C, programs data. If program data is not visible here, go to view, options, change and click on view and show hidden files and folder. Click on OK. Now you will be able to see programs data. Double click on that, and once you double click on that, you will see all the data is using here. So in my case, we can see the Windows, Microsoft, and then Windows. So let me open Microsoft and then Windows. Press W. Okay, and then press virtual hard disks. So let me click on virtual hard disks. You can see when I right click it and go to its properties, now it is taking 9 GB. Guys, you can see how much data it is taking now. Almost 9 GB is enough for me since I am using 100 SSD. So let me click. We need to press shift and delete button to permanently delete this, or you can delete it from here, but you need to delete the same from the recycle bin. So let me shift and delete, permanently delete it. Yes, it's gone now. Let me refresh. Now let me go to this drive. Now you can see, guys, I have freed up almost 10 GB of data. You can see front of you 28 GB, almost 29 GB is free now. So this is the correct way to uninstall any virtual hard disk instead of deleting from here and deleting from here. Okay, so this is how, guys, you can delete the virtual hard disk from your Windows correctly. Make sure you use all the tools so that you can reach out the correct location of that machines, virtual machines path, and you can also go from here as well. Check on the more details, and also like similar to the VM where the programs feature and all the things located, like Oracle VMs and all, VirtualBox. Okay, so this is how, guys, this is the correct way to uninstall any hard disk space, virtual hard disk space from your Windows. So hope this video is useful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.